Welcome to a new tutorial on how to install HP Officejet Pro 8725 printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. In this video, I will cover how and where to download the drivers and then how to install it. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, just double click on that to start the installer. It will extract the drivers and will start the installer automatically. If it is asking for permission, so please click on yes. Click on continue. Click on next. Check this box and then click on accept. Click on yes. Check this box, auto update, and then click on apply. Click on yes one more time. One more time. That's it. It is installing the drivers now, so please wait for that. Choose the first option, automatic setup, and click on next. Now it is searching for the printer, so please make sure the printer is connected to your router through the Ethernet cable or connected through the USB cable. It says the printer is not connected, so please click on next. And make sure all the cables are connected to the printer and to the computer, and printer is turned on properly and ready to print. No, it is not finding. So here you can type the IP address of your printer to directly connect with manually. So if you know the IP address, type here. Otherwise, click on cancel to select the other option to connect this printer, like USB or Wi-Fi. Choose the last option and click on next. Click on OK. Now choose the connection type. Which connection type do you prefer? Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, or connect later? And click on next. And now click on finish. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.